Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the Gilly job, and check it out. Let's do a little walk around. We started out, as you can see, beautiful Sierra Old Town pavers, 6x9 signature border, but we got retaining wall all the way around, so we can make the whole yard level. See the slope in the fence? Wasn't acceptable. Can't do paver jobs and have big slopes on them. As you can see, we've got the frame for the outdoor kitchen in. We've got the fireplace in. These are all custom built by us, in-house, not subcontractors. The Carol Rose stainless firebox will be going in. We'll be getting the electric roughed, the gas roughed, smooth stucco, granite tops, and all Delta Heat appliances, not Chinese. We do not use Chinese products. So you can see the whole yard is elevated. Also notice all the drains we put in, the piping for the gas. Everything is piped in behind the pavers, behind the fireplace, and the hot tub is going right here. So we ran a chase over this way, and to hide the wires for the hot tub. And this is one of our walls that we do for air conditioning, pool equipment, etc. The spacing can be changed to smaller, larger, or graduate from smaller pieces to larger pieces. But this is rough sawn corral board with a very nice oil-based stain. So quick overview. This was 4 days to get to this point. We got I'd say 2 to 3 weeks, and all of this will be complete, and they'll be enjoying their beautiful dream backyard. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.